About that 522 Kentucky, 522 Kentucky, 791 West Coast of Canada waving.
I copy that 791 West Coast of Canada. This is 522 Kentucky. Go ahead.
Yeah, I've talked to you before in my mobile there. You're sounding good up here. Just want to let you know you're sounding Q5 up here to my base station, 522 Kentucky. You got 791 Joe here out here in the Southern Gulf Islands.
I copy that, Joe, and I appreciate that. That last over on you was 55, but I do have a good clear audio on you. 405 is pretty busy right now, but I was able to get a good clean TSO on you right there. Go ahead.
Yeah, you as well, my friend. I forget your personal. I do forget your personal, but I have chatted with you a couple of times. Been out in the mobile. I'm running a RCI 2970DX, so just off a small Antron right now, but you're pushing a beautiful signal here to the west coast of Canada this afternoon. Hope all is well in the bluegrass.
791, I do remember talking to you, Joe, and the handle here is Skeeter, and always good to hear from you. Some days, old man and I are going to put a mobile in our truck. I think that would be a lot of fun to have that. We take our radios with us when we go camping and put them up at the campsite and really enjoy that. So can't have enough radios, right? Go ahead.
That's a Roger, Skeeter. I put one in my wife's vehicle a few weeks ago, a unit in Bearcat 980 with a Tram 300 mag mount and a little 200-watt kicker there. It seems to work pretty good on the DX too. So, but yeah, this channel's pretty quiet up here on this side. There's a little bit of DX in the background, but I tell you what, Skeeter, you're making it over it all. You sound like a local.
All right, that's good to hear. And again, it was good to talk to you, Joe. And I wish the best to you and your family. Have a great week ahead. And we'll talk again soon. 731 from 522 Kentucky.
All right, 522 Kentucky, you're sounding great, and we'll listen for you again, Skeeter. Always a pleasure. This be 791 Southern Gulf Islands off the west coast of Canada, QSX.
7-3.
7-3.